Today I am going to tell you about what is firewall. What meant by two things. That is why when first virus Creeper spread at the ARPANET, next in answer of this, Reaper antivirus was formed. From beginning of the internet, time to time, from research work for its security, new operators were formed. Firewall is one of them, between which came inbuilt in modem and router, even with Windows. That is why it is called first line security. This is used to filter network. That means it uses on any network to prevent the spreading of your unauthorized things like virus, trojan, spyware, malicious link, etc. Firewall work as a protection wall between a private and public network. It prevents to send any virus from your user computer to internet and not allow internet to harm user computer, so it is called two-way protector. This is the picture through which you come to know that it is a wall which protect land to WAN, private to public sector. How does a firewall work? When your computer has firewall protection, everything that goes in and out, it is monitored. The firewall monitor all this information traffic to allow good data in, but block bad data from every entering your computer. Firewall use one of the combination of following method to control the traffic flowing in and out of the network. Packet filtering. The most basic form of firewall software uses predetermined security rules to create filter. If an incoming packets of information, small chunk of data is flagged by the filter, it is not allowed through. Packet that make it through the filter are sent to the requesting system and all other are discarded. Proxy service. A firewall proxy service is an application that acts as an intermediary between system. Information from the internal is retrieved by the firewall and then sent to the requesting system and vice versa. Firewall proxy server operate at the application layer of the firewall, where both ends of the connections are forced to conduct the session through the proxy. They operate by creating and running a process on the firewall that mirrors a service as if it were running on the end host, and thus centralize all information transfer for an activity to the firewall for scanning. Stateful inspection. The most modern method of the firewall scanning that doesn't rely on the memory intensive examination of all information packet is stateful inspection. A stateful firewall holds significant attributes of each connection in the database of trusted information for the duration of the session. These attributes are called collectively known as a state of the connection. May include such detail as IP address and port involved in the connection and sequence number of the packets being transferred. The firewall compares information being transferred to the copy relevant to the transfer held in the database. If the comparison yields a positive match, the information is allowed through, otherwise it is denied. Application level gateway. It provides best security to the network system which work on firewall. It works like a proxy, example VPN. We get our data packet through VPN proxy server. Same way proxy server establishes proxy server connection between client and destination. This data come first to the proxy server and then come to the user, and it is secure and is securing user ID through for this operation. The resource of computer are used maximum. Next generation firewall. Firewall security system which with the best capability secure the system. It uses all techniques like state inspection, data filtration, apply all techniques. It uses new and smart way, give security to the system, uses many way security mechanism on data packets and give security to the data. It works like a signature-based engine where intrusion is not possible. It includes all techniques of previous type of firewall. Types of firewall. There are two types of firewall, software and hardware. Hardware firewalls are built into the network device such as routers and can protect every single machine on a network and require little configuration to the work efficiently. They use packet filtering techniques to examine the header of the packet, determining its sources and destination, and then comparing the data to set of predefined rules. They decide whether to drop the packet or forward it to the next step or its destination. Software firewall are the most popular network protection method for home user. They usually come as a standalone providing protection for inbound and outbound traffic. A software firewall can also protect against Trojan or worm application and allows various options of control over its function and feature. A reliable software firewall should run in the background of your computer and lead to small print on overall performance by using few of its resources. The firewall software must be regularly updated to keep up with the latest technological improvement and provide effective protection against the latest network attack tactics. So there are two types of firewall, hardware and software. Hardware is inbuilt or come with the hardware, and software is a program which generally we use with window and modem and on in router. BullGuard Internet Security includes a state of the art firewall protection engine and provides security update every 2 hours to ensure the safest online experience possible. You can try award-winning firewall protection from BullGuard for free by downloading the BullGuard Internet Security Pack. This is the advanced security pack. You can download it for your computer. Best firewall hardware and software. From personal level to organizational level, people will use firewall device as well as software. But it works efficiently when you use it by taking it from good companies. Some good companies provide firewall device are Cisco, McAfee, Checkpoint, FortiGate, Palo Alto Network, CyberRoam, and SonicWell. So I told each and everything about the firewall. In short, if you like my video, then please share and subscribe. And thank you for viewing my video. Thanks to all.